Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states, my uncle, after whose name I was named, did not participate in the battle of Badr along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this absence of him lay heavy on him. He said it was the first battle in which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was present while I was absent. If Allah Jalla Jalaluhu blessed me with a chance to participate in a battle along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will show what the acts of bravery I will do. He feared to say anything more than it. Then he was present on the battle of Uhud along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Sa'ad bin Muaz radiyallahu anhu came across him. Hazrat Anas, my uncle, said, O Abu Anas, where are you going? He said, I am perceiving the fragrance of paradise from that side of Uhud. He then started fighting against the polytheists until he embraced martyrdom. There were more than 80 sword, spear and arrow gashes on his body. His sister, my paternal aunt, Hazrat Robai, Nadar's daughter, then said, I identified the body of my brother only by his fingertips. On that occasion, these words was revealed. Among Muslims are men who have made true the covenant they had made with Allah. Then there are some of them who have fulfilled their vows, and some who are still waiting, and they are not changed in the least. Surah Ahzab, verse 23. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4895.